So what about your logo?
So this is our original logo right here. And then this year we rebranded to our new logo, which all of our vehicles
Let's
have
see.
now.
Love it.
Yeah. So,
Prestige Roofing, gold and everything.
yep. Now this is my brother. He's a top sales guy. He runs all the sales guys.
Top sales guy. Are you one of those who don't like work orders?
Yeah.
They complain about you earlier.
Yeah, all
Nice
the
to meet you,
time.
brother.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, let's go in here.
Let's go. Hold on. We're in a small town, Wisconsin. What's the name of the city here?
Green Bay.
Green Bay.
We're in Hobart. Hobart area.
Like the trucks. Hold on. Oh, yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah. So we got our little setup here.
I love this. Look at this. Whiteboards, meeting room, gym. This is so cool. And a sauna there. It's almost like mine. Mine is a little bit bigger. The stair. You don't have enough stairs in your life?
No.
Not enough ladders? You need a ladder? This is so cool.
We got our little cold plunge at like 48 degrees.
Everybody's in the cold plunge these days. How often do you do it?
Oh, I try to get it in the mornings, wake me up. So
Very cool.
yeah, I got a little setup for the team.
This is good stuff.
So I got a couple guys. There's one guy that's into CrossFit, so he has the bumper plates and stuff. So
Yeah. This is cool. This is cool.
yeah,
Nice little grind, man.
Yeah, little,
So how many years have you been in business?
10 years.
10 years. And you've been sub before?
Yeah, we were 6 years for sub, and then 4 years ago we started doing our own jobs and stuff. So
Nice. I like it. So do you like this thing?
yeah, I do that just to get the heart going.
If you want to get fit, this is #1 machine. Like, have you ever tried 50 calorie challenge?
No.
Martin Pedigree knows all about it. So go 50 calorie as fast as you can.
Okay.
So Martin Pedigree did 1 minute and like 34 seconds. Like you will be dying. Like I mean, if you can break minute and 30, you will be one of the fittest people.
Oh, man.
I think world record is like 30 seconds, but you have to be big and strong, and you have to maintain that sprint pace for almost 2 minutes.
Oh, man.
So you're probably going to be 2 minutes, 2:30 at the first. Most people are, and then later you can improve.
Wow, that's a good challenge.
Yeah, it's a very good challenge. You have it. Have almost the same. This. Love it, man.
These are our subcontractors that we have, the jobs that we have going on.
Good stuff. What CRM do you guys use?
We use ProLine.
Pro.
So actually last year, my dad's cactuses are up there.
They don't like light?
During winter time we bring them in, and then summertime we throw them out there. So,
Got it.
but yeah, we keep all our cactus and stuff inside, and then this is our little area for our guys to meet up once a week. So
And you start. Let's go to the warehouse real quick.
yeah, we have a warehouse, and then we got the office too on the other side.
You have also you have more office. I thought
Yeah,
that was the office.
Yeah, and that's where we store our trailers over there. We usually park all of our trailers and trucks on that side. So
I see.
we're in our office over here. For the customers.
This is a little bit nicer.
Yeah, they stop in and drop off checks and check out some colors and stuff.
So what's there? You have more?
That's more storage, more warehouse on that side. So
Do you have anything stuck there? Anything?
we got a little bit of things. This is our barn cat.
Oh, sorry.
You're so cute. You are so cute.
Yeah, so we used to rent space out. We were paying like $2,000 a month, and this came up for sale. This used to be an old barn for like cows and stuff. So I'm like, might as well fix it up. We've had it for less than a year. We're slowly fixing it up and stuff. So we just
Smart.
some things. And it's better than paying $2,000 and rent to somebody.
Of course.
Now that we have our own property and can store a lot of stuff in here, so still needs a lot of work, but we're slowly fixing it here and there.
What do you stock?
We stock underlayments, edging, nails, and then all the small accessories from pipe flashings to staples. We can come over here and check it out. We're gonna be remodeling this barn this year. We did that one last year.
Smart, man. Smart.
Yeah, so we stock all the basic VVAT stuff for guys who, like, whenever they need them for job sites.
How many
we stock
employees
them.
you have on the payroll?
On payroll, we got 8 employees.
8 employees.
Yeah, and then subcontractors running about 10 subcontractors.
I just deliver these. That's why I'm here. Roofing inside Sunderland. Your installer's gonna love it. So you have reach vents. Good, man. Nails, drip edge, coils. You do a lot of gutters?
So we used to have our own gutter machine, but this year we got rid of it. So these are just materials that we've acquired in the past 10 years. So we subcontract all of our gutter stuff now. So half of this barn was full with gutter stuff last year, but we got rid of it. So we're sticking with the roof side. So,
Nice.
but yeah, that's a little tour of our little area that we got going on here, Dimitri.
Love it. Well, keep up with the good work.
Yeah, for sure. So
Thank you for your order, man.
yeah, thank you.